What up, what up, what up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so we want to give you guys an update on the new Milwaukee, or not Milwaukee, I'm sorry. The new XGT Makita tools, the 40 volt and 80 volt max line. Beyond limits for Makita cordless innovation. It's more than just bigger batteries. It's about creating battery technology and motor engineering that work together for optimum performance. Makita 40 volt max XGT cordless tool line is new standalone cordless system of tools equipped with batteries and chargers. Some items on available at ToolNut. Four-speed half-inch impact kit. You got a what looks like to be a high torque. You got a combo kit, 4-tool combo kit, circular saw, radio, a recip combo, 1 and 9/16 inch rotary hammer, AVT rotary hammer kit. You got a 1 and 1/8 rotary hammer, bare tools, couple bare tools. They do have video on here. Figured I'd show that to you guys. 90% pure copper wire. Makita XGT brushless motor now delivers more copper windings for increased power output. High quality rare earth magnets are engineered with the brushless motors to maximize power and performance. Built-in microchips, digital communication, impact absorption structure, triple layer protection, water and dust resistant triple layer structure. Enhanced terminal structure protects against water and dust. More compact, 8.07 inches for the hammer drill, 110 foot-pounds max fastening torque. Looks like a half-inch. Oh, this one's a 3/4 inch. I would consider it kind of a high torque for 1,500 foot-pounds. 162 foot-pounds for the impact driver, which is pretty nice. You have a drill driver, hammer drill, 3,000 no load speed on the recip, 3,000 no load speed with 2 9/16 max cut depth on the 7 1/4 circular saw, 6,000 no load speed on the grinder, which it's all right for the grinder. I know a couple brands, battery powered brands that have up above 9,000 RPMs on the grinders. 1-inch, they have a 1-inch rotary hammer as well. Future proof. Charging adapter has enabled consumers to charge both batteries when using the XGT charger. Makita will continue to develop and release new LXT tools for professional trade applications, and the introduction of the 40-volt max will provide consumers with a genuine solution for high-demand industrial applications, which is pretty neat. And the newer chargers will work on the older batteries. Purchase a Makita tools, it automatically comes with a warranty, so there's no need to worry about registration. If the product you purchase experiences issue, you give them a call at the number listed right here. All in all, it's pretty nice to see. Figured I would share it with you guys. It's pretty nice. Definitely something I would probably check out if I can get some for the channel. I'll definitely bring them to the channel. It also looks like you can get from ToolNut right now, you can get $10 off 100 plus. But it's gonna do it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as go check out ToolNut if you guys want to see some of these new tools and order them up. ToolNut is a great place to order tools. They've always been great to me when I bought stuff from them. Also, go check out my Ulsa Tools link down below. That will provide you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it will kick me back 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools. So if you use it, helps me out, brings tools to the channel for me to view for you guys. Check out. If you don't need it, don't worry about it. If you do use it, do appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hope you like this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!